In the vast, untamed wilderness of ancient Australia, a tale was passed down through generations, a story that spoke of the creation of the land and its creatures. This was the Dreaming, a collection of Aboriginal Dreamtime stories that held deep cultural significance for the indigenous people of the continent. The story of the Rainbow Serpent, a powerful and spiritual entity, is one such dreaming. It was said that the Rainbow Serpent, in her many forms, shaped the land, created waterways, and breathed life into the first animals. In the heart of the land now known as Kakadu National Park, the Rainbow Serpent slumbered beneath the earth, her dreams shaping the land as she slept. The people of the area, the Bininj and Mungguy, lived in harmony with the land, respecting the spirits that dwelled within it. One day, a great drought gripped the land. The rivers ran dry, the water holes evaporated, and the once lush vegetation withered and died. The Bininj and Mungguy suffered, their crops failed, and their livestock perished. They turned to their ancestors for guidance, praying for the rains to return. In response, the spirits of the land stirred. The Rainbow Serpent woke from her slumber, sensing the distress of her people. She emerged from the earth, her brilliant scales shimmering like a rainbow against the parched landscape. The Rainbow Serpent descended into the depths of a great waterhole, her coils writhing as she began to sing a song of life. The people gathered around the waterhole, their hearts filled with hope. As the serpent sang, the water began to rise, filling the waterhole and spilling out into the surrounding land. The rain began to fall, gentle at first, then growing heavier until it poured from the sky. The land drank in the water, the parched earth soaking it up eagerly. The rivers refilled, the water holes replenished, and the once barren landscape bloomed anew. The Bininj and Mungguy rejoiced, their prayers answered by the powerful Rainbow Serpent. They thanked her for her gift, promising to continue to live in harmony with the land, respecting the spirits that dwelled within it. From that day forth, the Rainbow Serpent continued to watch over her people, her dreams shaping the land and ensuring its survival. The story of the Rainbow Serpent still resonates among the Aboriginal people today, a testament to their deep connection with the land and the spirits that dwell within it. The Dreamtime stories of the Aboriginal people are more than just tales. They are a reflection of their deep understanding and respect for the land and the spirits that inhabit it. The story of the Rainbow Serpent serves as a reminder of the power of the spirits, the importance of harmony with the land, and the resilience of the Aboriginal people in the face of adversity.